Thank you for visiting the Department of Public Safety Communications today. We're commonly known as the Fairfax County 911 Center. And as you can well imagine, it's very, very important that new employees to the county government in general and to the 911 Center in particular receive the highest quality of training if possible. I'm very happy to report that very recently DPSC has been recognized by the Association of Public Safety Communications Officials as one of the 52 best training academies in the United States of America, of which there are 6,100. To be so recognized is a very, very prestigious achievement to which something we are all very, very proud of. There are 5 DPSC personnel that comprise the staff of the Training and Career Development Academy, and they are supported by many other people on the floor.
The Department of Public Safety Communications holds 3 training academies per year. Each academy can have up to 20 students. During that academy, it is 10 weeks of intense training. Being a 911 telecommunicator or a 911 dispatcher is not an easy job. It takes someone with heart, someone with knowledge, and someone willing to go the extra mile. In our academy, we teach you the heart and the knowledge, and we also teach you how to go that extra mile. Once you are cut loose as a 911 call taker, it is a job to be proud of. On August 19th, the training team, along with Director Steve Souter, will attend the APCO conference to receive our award. As the training manager, I am very proud to be part of the training academy that has received for the second time the APCO Project 33 award. I did not receive this award alone. We as an agency received it. I would like to thank them. Without everything that they have done for us, we would not have gotten this award.